Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do an unboxing or an unbagging, I guess I will say, from Amazon. And then I just got a little teeny haul to do from the Dollar Tree and Family Dollar. So we might as well just jump right into it, okay? Alright, let me get my little razor. Alright. I probably can just tear the bag, y'all, and stop trying to be neat with it. Just rip the bag open, Tiffany, and be done with it. While I'm sitting here trying to open it with a razor, I can just have the thing ripped open by now. I'm playing games, I guess. Y'all, I've seen this bag on quite a few of the girlies' channels, and I ordered one, and I liked it so much that I ordered another one, and I got two more on the way. So you always see this bag in another color two more times, okay? Let me just say, I don't have a Coach Rowan. I have a long Rowan in chocolate brown, but me being a crossbody girl, I was always afraid of how the Rowan will fall on me crossbody. So when I seen this particular brand featured on some of the other girlies' channel for a fraction of the price of what a Rowan costs, I decided to give this bag a try, and I absolutely love this bag. I ordered one. Here's my second one, and I got two more coming next week. So again, y'all will see this bag multiple times. So let me go ahead and show you the first one that I ordered. This is the first one that I ordered. This bag actually crossed two bases for me. I was on the hunt for a light blue bag, so it fits the color of the light blue bag, and it also allowed me to try out a Rowan. To me, this is the size of the medium Rowan. I guess that's what you would call it. And it fits me perfectly. I love this bag, y'all. And y'all not gonna hear me say I love a bag all the time. I love this bag, y'all, so much that I even tried to dress her up. I put a little charm here and there on my bags, y'all, but I put a little ice cream cone on the side. I put a little scarf on the handle. I got my blue apple, a little decorative purse, and a chain, y'all. I love this bag, and it's by the brand Angel Kiss. I think it was $39.99, so I guess under $50 between the bag, shipping, and tax. It'll be under $50. And the bag has feet, just like the Coach Rowans. I believe they have feet, y'all. Again, I don't own one, but I would think the Rowans will have feet. If you haven't brought a Rowan and want to kind of give it a try, please, y'all, try this brand. I'm speechless, y'all. The quality of this bag is 10 out of 10. I love it. But anyway, I'm gonna start rambling, and I'm gonna get to my new one, and then I'm gonna play with her all night and try to dress her up, see if I can make her look cute. It comes in a dust bag, which is another plus. Do we still pack our bags in dust bags, or do we stuff them on the inside of our bags, y'all? So this is the color that I have now. I guess it's a fuchsia. I think that's what they were calling it online. Fuchsia. Let me see if the picture's on here. I mean the name, y'all. I'm sorry. No, it just says Angel Kiss. You all can see that. It's got, I think all of them are going to come with gold hardware. Y'all, they have online at Walmart, they have this bag in several colors. Again, this is my second one, and I got two more coming. This is a really nice bag. And I think the medium size Rowan runs at $150, $149. You can get 3 or 4 of these for that one price. I am now officially a rowing girl. Not a coach rowing. An Angel Kiss rowing girl. And guess what, y'all? I didn't even use the strap on my blue one. I didn't even use the strap. And I'm a crossbody girl. Isn't she pretty, y'all? She is gorgeous to me. And she's got feet again. Gold hardware. And y'all look at the pool, the zipper pool. Isn't that wonderful? That is, I mean, the quality of this bag is just a 10 out of 10 to me. I love it. In my light blue bag, the first one that I have, I did put a small organizer inside. I like to kind of keep my stuff not compacted, but situated. And I felt like this bag would be too deep and too wide. My stuff will fall over. And I'm learning I don't like that. So she's got 2 slit pockets here in the front. She's got 2, I'm so lower, y'all. She's got a zip up compartment here in the back. Well, tear my stuff up so I can even get to use it. She's got a zipper compartment in the back. And then she's got 1, 2, 3. She's got a slot for three cards in the back, y'all. And here's the handle. I may order a wider strap from Amazon. I might. But again, I've never even used the strap on the light blue one. But that's the strap. It's trimmed in white, y'all. And I'm not mad at that. It kind of made that fuchsia pop some to me. So, but I'm going to put it back in there. Y'all, this is a nice bag for under $50. It really is. The quality, I'm speechless with the quality of this bag. So again, I'm promoting without being paid, y'all. I am promoting this particular bag from Angel Kiss. Now, the only thing that I will say, maybe might need some improving is the handle. Maybe the handle can be a little longer. I can put it on my arm and carry her like that. But you see how tight that is on my arm? But that's the only thing that may need improvement. But it's not enough for me to not order 4 of them. And I got 2 more coming within the week. Will give me 4. Y'all, I might order another one. I ain't gonna lie to you. I shouldn't be ordering anything, y'all. My son getting married in August, and we're still paying for some of the stuff for his wedding. But again, I got 2 more coming, and might order another one. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But moving on, I got a little small haul from the Dollar Tree and Family Dollar. Yeah, y'all. So getting started with my haul, I got this body cream from the Dollar Tree, and it's in the scent coconut and tea tree. Coconut and tea tree. I've not smelled it, but I'm not mad at coconut stuff. I kind of like coconut stuff. So let me give it a try now. I'll smell now. Yeah, it's not bad at all. I'll give it a try for $1.25. Alright. I picked up this lip gloss. And I did not read the package when I picked it up. I saw Juicy Cakes, and I assumed that it would have that cake smell or cake taste to it, but it's actually watermelon. It's going to go on clear with a little sparkle on my lip. I didn't read the package at all. I probably would not have gotten this, but since I do have it, I'll give it a try. I picked up a pack of pens and strawberry, blueberry, and grape. I thought they were real cute. You could never have too many pens in my opinion. I picked up another set of pens I thought were cute also. It looked like they have kitty cats on the tip. So, got those. And then I picked up a pack of 3 notebooks. You get 3 in a pack for $1.25. I couldn't beat this, y'all. I think these are so pretty. So festive, I guess. They look really springtime to me. I mean, don't get me wrong, I carry them in my purse all year long, but that's my favorite out of the 3. So I got me some new notepads when my other one officially runs out. And then I got this notebook. I brought this notebook one time before, and my mama wanted it, so I gave it to her. So when I saw this one, I picked it up again. It says, believe in yourself. But y'all, it's got a velveteen texture to it on the front. It's real nice, but it's just regular paper on the front, on the inside. Nothing fancy about it at all. But I think I'm going to use this to start jotting down my ideas, my what's in my bags for the week. Maybe that'll help me be more consistent, and maybe my channel will get to growing a little bit. I'm not consistent. I don't think I posted anything in over a week now because I don't have a schedule. I plan the shoot, and then I get busy and I don't. And the week just gets away from me between work and work. I actually work 2 jobs, y'all. So between working 2 jobs, if I don't plan this, I won't get a video out. And that's been, I think that's what's keeping my channel kind of stagnant a little bit. So maybe if I can get on the schedule, start planning some stuff out, and all I have to do is come in here, know what bag I'm going to choose for the week, and get it packed. Pretty much shoot the video as soon as I get the bag packed. Maybe that'll help me. But I'm rambling again, y'all, so let me move on. At the Family Dollar, I picked up this cocoa butter stick. About a month or so ago, I started breaking out in eczema. Never had it before in my life, y'all. I started breaking out in eczema, and I couldn't figure out what brought it on. But of course, I started treating my skin, and it's cleared up. But my arms and stuff still look a little patchy to me. So maybe this Vaseline stick will kind of even out my skin tone again. I picked up this eyebrow pencil, really for the spool. What the girls call it, a spoolie for my eyebrows. I couldn't find mine. I had 2 at one point, and now I can't find either one. But I also use brow gel too, so it's not a must. But I picked it up since I was in there. And then I picked up some light pink polish, and then I picked up a glitter set just to go over the light pink. I thought that was cute together. And on that same note, I picked this up too, just like for some nail art on my toes. Don't know which one I'm going to use as of yet, but I plan on doing my toes because it's getting hot here in North Carolina, y'all. So that is my unboxing and my haul for tonight. I want to thank all my subscribers, all 57 of you all, for sticking with me and helping my channel grow. It does not go unnoticed, and I appreciate even all 57 of you all. I appreciate you. Have a good evening, and until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.